Everyone, how to fix your messenger camera. After then open your Play Store application. When you open your Play Store application, top right bottom you find search button. Tap on here. After then you search messenger. When you search messenger, you see if you need your update new option, new version application. After then you upload and go back, minimize your after then you find this your phone screen setting option. Tap on setting option. When you tap on, scroll down, you see this option application and permission. After then you see your phone application option. Tap on here. When you tap, you also see this option app manager. Tap on this icon app manager. When you tap on your app manager, you'll see this option search your messenger application. Tap on here. After then you will see this option force stop. Tap on here. After then enter press OK. Minimize, back, when you see this application and permission management, tap on here. When you tap on here, you also see this option top up your phone camera. Tap on here. After then scroll down and find your messenger icon. After then turn on this notification icon, minimize and back. After then you all see this picture in picture. Tap on here. When you tap on here, picture and picture. After then you search and find this option manager. Tap on this notification icon. After then back and restart your phone. Tap on the restore button. After then your camera and messenger option be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.